To successfully launch your YouTube channel, you must begin by defining your unique voice. Reflecting on what makes your perspective distinct in your niche is an essential first step. Your experiences, insights, and the unique angles you can provide will form a strong foundation for your content. This distinctive approach not only sets you apart from others, but also attracts an audience eager for authentic and engaging content. As you embark on this journey, it's important to experiment with various formats, such as vlogs, tutorials, or storytelling, to identify what resonates with both your style and your audience. Engaging deeply with the medium you choose will enhance the overall viewing experience, cultivating loyalty among your growing subscriber base. Researching your niche is equally vital in understanding the landscape you are entering. By analyzing successful channels that inspire you, you can glean important insights about their video styles, themes, and ways of interacting with viewers. Pay close attention to their approaches, as this analysis will provide you with actionable data on what resonates with the audience. Creating a spreadsheet to compile these findings is a strategic move. Note down any gaps or opportunities in their content that align with your unique perspective. Identifying these opportunities can elevate your channel's appeal, fostering a devoted community eager for fresh ideas and narratives. As you connect with fellow creators, leverage the power of collaboration to spark new ideas that can push your content further. Engaging in discussions on social media platforms or through direct comments can guide your thinking and open up avenues for innovation. Consider forming a small group of creators who share similar interests. Not only can you brainstorm concepts together, but working alongside others can provide motivation and accountability. With these collaborations in mind, it's time to structure your content calendar effectively, mapping out your ideas to create a well-organized production schedule. This structured approach ensures that you remain consistent in your uploads, fostering a reliable connection to your viewers who anticipate your content. Once your content calendar is in place, it's time to delve into the scripting phase, where creativity meets structure. Begin each script with an attention-grabbing hook, whether it's a provocative question or an engaging statement that immediately captivates viewers. This introductory moment sets the tone for your video, enticing your audience to continue watching. Following this engaging start, it's crucial to logically structure your content, balancing informative elements with entertaining anecdotes to retain interest and enhance viewer engagement. Aim for clarity with concise language to ensure your messages resonate without overwhelming your audience. Incorporating personal stories or relatable scenarios will foster a deeper connection, bridging the gap between you and your viewers. As you shape the script, visualize it as a journey, guiding your audience smoothly from one segment to another. As you draft your script, remember that each segment should flow seamlessly into the next, creating an engaging rhythm that keeps viewers hooked. After completing your draft, consider seeking feedback from trusted peers or mentors who can provide constructive criticism. Their insights can help refine your script further, ensuring that your message is clear and impactful. Once you feel satisfied with the content, it's time to move on to the production phase, where the real magic happens and your creative vision comes to life. As you step into the production phase, harness the full potential of visual storytelling. Begin exploring visual concepts that align with your narrative, drawing on tools like AI to create captivating imagery. Each visual element should not only complement your script, but also evoke the right emotions, enhancing understanding and retention for your viewers. As you work on crafting these visuals, think critically about their arrangement within the video. Consider how each image guides the narrative forward and enhances your storytelling. Focus on creating a cohesive presentation, where visuals and script work together harmoniously to engage and captivate your audience's attention. With your thoughtful attention to detail, your video will not only convey your message effectively, but also leave a lasting impression. Prepare to finalize your video with high-quality voiceovers using a tool like ElevenLabs. Selecting the right voice is crucial, as it should reflect the essence of your content, ensuring a captivating experience for your listeners. Perfecting your narration will enhance the overall impact of your video, compelling viewers to stay engaged from start to finish. With every component meticulously crafted and harmonized, your creative vision will shine through, setting the stage for your channel's success. Embrace the process, continually adapt to viewer feedback, and watch your Faceless YouTube channel bloom within the vibrant community you've nurtured. As you finalize the details of your production, the last but crucial step is to promote your content effectively across various platforms. Share teasers, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or engaging posts that generate buzz around your video's release. Leverage social media channels and online communities that align with your niche, ensuring your message reaches the right audience. Monitoring engagement and responding to viewer comments can foster a stronger connection, encouraging viewers to return for more compelling content in the future. By cultivating this vibrant relationship with your audience, you will enhance your channel's reputation and grow your community, paving the way for long-term success. Once your video is ready, embrace the excitement of launching it to the world. Announce its release with enthusiasm, encouraging your audience to watch and share their thoughts. This engagement will not only strengthen your community but also drive more viewers to your channel. Remember, successful content creation is a journey, and with each upload, you're one step closer to achieving your goals. Stay true to your unique voice, listen to your audience, and continue to innovate as you cultivate a thriving platform for your creative expression. With diligence and creativity, your Faceless YouTube channel is not just a project, but a thriving community where authentic engagement flourishes. Embrace each phase with enthusiasm, adapt to your viewers' needs, and watch as your unique vision resonates, building a loyal audience eager for your next creation.
You create, AI executes. Not everyone wants fame. Some of us just want freedom.
Serious about building faceless content and income with AI? Don't just scroll. Grab your free AI toolkit at aok-ai.online, plus 20% off, today only. Let's turn your ideas into actual income. Want to create content like this? Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and stick around. I'll show you how in the next one.